Good afternoon, folks. I'm out in the garden today and wanted to make a quick video on how we mix up our custom growing medium to go into our Mittleider grow boxes. And we're filling up these four out here, and we're using a mixture of sand and sawdust in a ratio of 75% sawdust and 25% sand. And we're not very scientific with how we mix this up. It is mixed by volume and not by weight. So we take our shovel here, it's a square-nosed shovel, and put 3 scoops of sawdust, equal sized, and layer it in the bottom of our garden cart. And over the top of it, we put 1 scoop, again, it's same size as the scoops of sawdust, and scatter it evenly over the top of the 3 scoops of sawdust. 3 more scoops of sawdust, another one of sand, 3 of sawdust, another one of sand, and that gets about to the weight of what we can manage in the cart here. It's a pretty big cart. It holds a yard of material. And bring it in the greenhouse here, and our measuring device now becomes the mixing utensil. And we'll take the shovel, mix the sand and sawdust up in the cart, and then transfer it from the cart into the grow box. We are using the sand and sawdust in our garden because it is readily available and is almost free. We do have to pay a guy about 20 bucks for a truckload of sand to load it for us, and all of the sawdust we get for free from a sawmill. We just have to take a shovel and load it into the truck ourselves. I am going to have another video on applying the Mittleider pre-plant and weekly feed into the Mittleider grow boxes, and I will put a link in the description and an iCard here for you to watch that. If you would like to see how to apply the pre-plant and weekly feed to a Mittleider grow box, please check out that video. It is a little bit different than growing in soil, but it's not bad at all. Okay, there you go. Just a quick video. If you have any questions about this or anything to do with the Mittleider garden or the greenhouse that we're building here, I am going to have an update video on the greenhouse soon. Otherwise, leave comments in the comment section below. Thank you.